For over 5 years, we, F&N International, have further enhanced our position in the market as a trustable and dependable, preferred turnkey industrial solutions providing a group of companies serving to lead clients all over the world in the various industrial segments. Our business journey with focused after-sales services enabled us to have satisfied customers across the globe. We have won the confidence of numerous industrial clients on our plant and machinery solutions during the time. F&N International is a professional team of senior management, sales professionals, support services, qualified after-sale engineering team, administration team and import and export staff. We, together, always strive to propose profitable business setups to our industrial clients and support them at their factory doorstep. Our sales team is available to our clients at all times and visits their factories to identify their requirements and get the solution designed as per their technical and commercial requirements. We get customer product samples, identify the complete details, including existing factory automation status, and submit requirements to our support team to design the budgetary technical and commercial proposal. Our support team coordinates with our manufacturing factory engineering team to design the plant and machinery solutions as per customer user requirements and specifications. We prepare UR=S compliance sheet to ensure that we propose exactly what our valued industrial clients need from us. Our support team do continuous R&D to identify and offer the latest innovations in plant and machinery, which can do better automation and enhance our customers' factory operations. We, at F&N International, strive to make sure that our team go to extra miles for customer service and satisfaction.
F&N Group is one of our preferred industrial solutions providing company, serving to leading food, beverage and cosmetics clients all over the world. Our specialty is to build the profitable industrial setups with long-term sustainability and growth. Our in-house team of engineers being trained at our principals' factories, they are available at all times, to go to and travel to the world and install and commission all industrial solutions we provide to our customers. Happy, satisfied customer is our passion.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Qasim. I am leading engineer at F&N Group of Companies.
Hello, I am Sales and Services Team from F&N Group. I'm basically a mechanical engineer but serving F&N Group as a Sales and Services Engineer. We provide best sales and services to our customer, not only national but also global. I'm very happy to serve this organization as a mechanical engineer. I'm very happy and I'm very satisfied with my job.
Hi, I am support team F&N Group. My role is to prepare the solutions for our sales team and liaison with our foreign principals accordingly. I am really very happy and excited in my role. Thank you.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा ताल्लुक F&N ग्रुप से है। मैं इस कंपनी में एडमिन और एचआर और ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग के काम करता हूँ। हम अपनी कंपनी के एम्प्लॉयज़ को एक अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं ताकि हमारे जो इंडस्ट्रियल कस्टमर है उनको अच्छी सर्विसेज दे सकें। थैंक यू।
We have over 10,000 square meter working area. We provide and supply complete beverages production lines for water, juice and carbonated soda drink etc. We provide cosmetics factory with complete range of plant and machinery equipments. We are specialized food products filling and packing lines. Our company has ISO 9001 quality management certification and has corporate memberships of Lahore Chamber of Commerce, Pakistan Business Forum, FBR and Customs. We have ISO 9001 C certifications for our plant and machinery manufacturing facility. Our machinery quality is reliable and competitive, coupled with firm after-sales services by our in-house engineering team. After project is ready, we do an online factory acceptance test. Once approved by the customer, we dispatch it to the customer factory. Our group company, EnnKay Enterprise, provides the services to source plants and machinery, packaging and materials from and to the world. Delivered, duty paid at customer factory doorstep is our speciality. Our services include shipment transport from the manufacturing factory to the seaport, shipment dispatch by ship or air, custom clearance at destination port, and local transport arrangement to deliver the shipment at our valued customer factory. Our in-house experienced import and export team prepares complete shipment and banking documentation to ensure smooth services of shipment delivery to our valued customer factory doorstep. After machinery reach our customer's factory, our group company IndusMark Engineering, after sales services team, travels to the world to install and commission the plants and machinery. We engage the customer plant team during the entire installation and commissioning process, so that later they get complete training on how to smoothly run the machines, and they are also been trained on how to troubleshoot if any problem comes. Our after-sales services team provide online support to our global clients to fix their reported problems in their plant and machinery. Recently, we successfully completed projects in Nepal, Qatar, Vietnam, and Gambia, followed by many other projects to come. At Nepal, we have set up a complete carbonated soda drink factory, of capacity 10,000 bottles per hour. This project includes all utilities and auxiliary equipments, including chillers, boilers, cooling towers and CO2 tank. It also includes all processing equipment, including sugar melting tank, other mixers, carbonator equipment installation and commissioning. Our team also installed and commissioned automatic beverage can filling and packing line with a trial run of the production test. We ensure customer satisfaction in the form of a signed report by the customer. At Qatar, we have installed water production factory packed in PET bottles, with 15,000 bottles per hour capacity. This project includes a complete setup of auxiliary and utilities equipments, processing equipment and filling automatic water production PET line. We ensure customer satisfaction in the form of a signed report by the customer. Our after-sales engineering team flew to Vietnam to install and commission glass water production factory and packing in premium glass bottles. The capacity of the line was 6,000 bottles per hour. This activity was for 1 week. We ensure customer satisfaction in the form of a signed report by the customer. At Gambia, Africa, we have installed beverage water production factory and packing line in PET cups. This project includes reverse osmosis equipment, raw water, and finished water tanks system, and an automatic water cup filling and sealing machine. After the production successful trial run, we trained our customer plant staff, so that they can run the plant operations smoothly. We ensure customer satisfaction in the form of a signed report by the customer. We participate in leading local and abroad exhibitions, trade shows where we showcase our machinery to our industrial clients. We are thankful to our leading food, beverage and cosmetics industry clients for visiting us at exhibitions and giving us inquiries. At exhibitions, we offer ready and available types of equipment for sale with the exhibition price. Our sales team welcomes our industrial clients at the exhibitions, fills in the inquiry forms so that later our support team prepares the solutions. On spot, we arrange tours of our new customers to our existing customer factory to see the plant and machinery, and have our existing customer feedback to lock their projects there and then.